Hey guys, what's up? Today we are in Yosemite National Park, and what better thing to do than unbox the all-new quote Apple Watch Ultra 2 but in black. So I cannot wait to check this out, and we're gonna get this out of the box here. Kind of cool. I know it's not actually a new watch. Apple, you suck. We know what you did. You just gave us a new color and made us upgrade our watches. However, I will say real quick that my Ultra has been my daily driver. I love this thing. I've gone swimming with it. I've gone snorkeling with it. I have used it climbing. I have used it biking, running. I use it every single day for workout. I absolutely love this watch. So I cannot wait to get this. I always wanted this in black. So it's kind of like, okay, Apple, I know you suck, but I guess take my money. Here's my credit card and my shipping address. And here we are. So let's go ahead, let's get this thing out of the box and see what it looks like. So one thing that is really cool about this is that this now comes in a titanium looking paper wrap box. The other one was white, and this one comes in the black titanium look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open here. And as normal, Apple's packaging is amazing. I love their packaging. I have stated this before. Really cool. I love that they give us this booklet with the Apple Watch, and it is, of course, also in that black titanium. This watch looks gorgeous. I did get the Alpine Loop black because, you know, why not? Got to get that, right? But it comes with all of the stuff that the other Apple Watch Ultra 2 did. I fully expect Apple to go ahead and give us a third Ultra watch, because this one only gives financing for 1 year, where my old Apple Watch here, the Ultra 1, had 2 years. And so I kind of think that they're already expecting anybody that gets this, they'll upgrade next year when they release the 3. There's your white box. I'm gonna open this up here. Very simple packaging as usual for Apple. I wanna make sure we don't lose any of our trash here, because we are out in gorgeous Yosemite National Park. And again, I mean, what better place to open Apple products than in California and in Yosemite? So, oh man, look at that. I'll get that open first. So here it is. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous watch. Look at that thing. And there would be the comparison between the silver and the black titanium. It looks amazing. I'll go ahead and do some detail shots with this later on. So what also comes in the box here is we've got our standard braided cable, USB-C. And that, unfortunately, Apple, this should have been black. Hello, you've been doing really well with your cables. I would say let's do that next time. And so let's go ahead, let's get the band out. We'll see what that looks like. I cannot wait to get this thing on and use it. It looks gorgeous out here in the sun. I mean, it's a gorgeous day in Yosemite. So you get your standard paper with it. Gives you how to use your watch and put the band on, basically. Here is this black titanium Alpine Loop wrapped strap. You've got the black titanium buckle here, and then you've got your black titanium watch attachment points. It's a little more stretchy, I would say, than my other Alpine Loop, so that's interesting. Maybe that's an upgrade. I never had the 2, so maybe that's something they changed. Let's pop that on the watch here real fast. Just slide that right in there. We'll slide this right in here like that. There it is. It's in there. Look at that thing. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous watch. Let me pop off my Ultra 1 here and just put them side by side for comparison. So this is the like army green Alpine Loop, and then this is going to be your black Alpine Loop. Really, really pretty watches. I love Apple Watches just in general, and we will be doing an unboxing on the 10, but I don't have that yet. I am on vacation. I got this like en route to Yosemite. I had to flag down the UPS guy. Really interesting story on how that all happened, but I got the watch and figured, you know, what better place to do a quick video to unbox the quote all new Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. So that is pretty much it. I'll go ahead and slide it on my wrist here. I think I put this on upside down, unfortunately, and I will note this is a lot more spongy. The band is a lot more spongy than my last one. That's the only way to put it. It's kind of got a stretch and a flex to it. But there you go. That's the watch on. Slide this up here. show you what it looks like with both of them side by side. If you like Apple Watches, I mean, yes, it's an expensive watch. I'm gonna be selling this one and basically make this one about half price because I can get about 400 bucks for this. So that'll make this about 400 bucks. That's not a bad upgrade to go to, you know, black titanium, but I'll get this synced up to my phone. We'll do some B-roll shots, let you see some detail, and also do some awesome shots with all the cameras we got out here in gorgeous Yosemite National Park. All right, so we got the all-new black titanium Apple Watch Ultra 2 out of the box. This thing is gorgeous. I love this watch, and I just wanted to go over a couple quick things that this does. It has an emergency siren, so if you are someone who is a hiker or a biker or someone who does climbing, and maybe you could run the risk of getting into a really, you know, life-threatening situation, you can press this right button over here, and you can slide this over, and it will start playing a siren. Now I am outside. I don't want to, you know, get some hikers thinking that something's wrong, so I'm going to go ahead and stop that. But you have that feature. It has enhanced GPS, so you're outside. Maybe you're using Backtrack to find your car. This is going to keep a better triangulation on your location than maybe say like an Apple Watch. Now, I don't know about the new 10. I will get the 10. I'll have to test that out. But this is what I've got now. It also is a dive watch. If you are a diver, this is good up to 40 meters. It's got a depth and water temperature app now with watchOS 11, I believe. You've got just amazing features with the Apple Watch Ultra. The new black, it's not supposed to scratch as easily as the original did. My original one right here at this like top of the watch, I was sleeping and I slammed my hand over my head and hit the metal frame on my bed, and there was this little ding. You could see it if you just moved it in the right light. Me being OCD, I could see it. Everybody was like, it's not there, but I knew it was there, and that was like a couple weeks after I got the watch. So I'm really hoping that this new coating takes care of that and doesn't like just scrape down to, you know, titanium. But another thing to note real quick is that if you've got another watch band like myself, maybe you have an Ultra and you've invested in a few watch bands. I was going to go ahead and put this on here real fast. So that is kind of what that's going to look like. And I'll do a couple, you know, tighter shots. Obviously, you're going to have that two-tone look going. With this Ultra watch, I used to wear my clasp, stainless steel clasp band, and that was in black or space gray, whatever it is. And so of course I had the two-tone going. So just something to note, if you've invested in bands and you want to get the black titanium, you're definitely going to have to deal with that or sell all of your other bands and get new bands. And I think Apple kind of saw that coming. But anyway, this has been my unboxing and kind of just initial check this watch out. It's awesome review of the all new Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. And I mean, how many times do you get to open an Apple product, let alone an outdoors Apple product, in Yosemite National Park? It's awesome. I can't believe I got the chance to do this. Yes, it's not a brand new watch. They didn't add a whole lot. They gave us a color, a lot like what they did with the new AirPods Max. But I think they kind of are planning to upgrade all of their phones and all of their stuff next year. This only had a 1-year contract on it to pay it off through their Apple Card, and my original had a 2-year contract. So I'm fairly certain that they're already expecting everyone that gets this to pay it off, flip this, and get the new watch. And hey, that's what I'm gonna be doing with my old watch. I'm gonna get this for about half price because I'm gonna flip that for about 400 bucks and get this for about, 400 bucks. So not a bad upgrade price. But I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, share it, and we will see you in the next video when I get back home.